Hey guys, it's Sean from Exodius here, and we have this Lexus GX550. It originally received a full front plus 4 doors and paint protection film, but the installer absolutely botched the job. It has paint cuts on almost every single panel. The PPF was peeling, lifting. Even this hood, it had the most horrendous adhesive lines, glue mark, just in general not a great install at all. And yeah, as you can see, we started to remove it. We've already removed a lot of it, but we kind of wanted to show you guys some of the issues and why you shouldn't go to the guy down the street that's doing it for like $200 less. Not that this customer did, but in general, that's where these type of situations arise from. For this customer, it was more so a timeline thing. He needed a quick turnaround, and they did this all in one night. For us, this is something that we would like to take 3 to 4 days on at least to make sure it came out right. He still ended up paying the exact same amount to that other installer that he would have to us, but you know, speed is not always a great thing to have when it comes to installing. You want to take your time. You want to make sure everything comes out quality. Every single thing was lifting. Every single panel had something where, you know, it was wrong, it wasn't passing. We can actually take a look at some of the damage that was done to this car. Because they cut on the vehicle, you can see that right there, that is actually into the plastic of the headlight, so that is not going to get repaired. I think the only two options you have is sanding it down, but even that might be too thick to sand down. So in general, I think you need to replace this headlight, which is not cheap. Coming over to the side mirror over here, this is a super bad paint cut. It's deep. You got to replace the side mirror cap on this one. And before we even get into removing this door panel, because we've already removed some of those panels that you've seen, take a look at this. You can see that this is without me even touching it. It's already lifted this much, and look at that overhang. It's sitting on top of the rubber. But yeah, this is the type of install that we're talking about. It's just not very great, and we're actually going to see if because he didn't end up removing these guards on the door, so we'll end up seeing if that's cut underneath there. Even if you look at this door cup, you can see that that's a finger if I've ever seen one in there. Yeah, you can see that's excess material. There's dirt going up inside of that thing. So in general, it's just not a great thing to have on your vehicle. It's actually diminishing the value by not looking great. But by the time we're done with it, this car is going to be back to its prime, if not better than what it started. We're still in the process of actually removing the PPF itself. It's a nice kind of hot day out today, even though it's a little bit, you know, windy, but it's making the PPF come off a lot easier with the sun. But in general, yeah, this is just not a great install. We're going to remove all the PPF on this, and we're going to reapply it. We're also going to do some other cool stuff to this vehicle as well, so definitely stay tuned. Oh yeah, one other thing, the original installer said they ceramic coated the vehicle. Through all the observations we've made, ceramic coating is not beating. There's still many swirls and scratches after they did a paint correction, so you can just tell there's no ceramic coating on the vehicle. So I highly doubt that was ever done in the first place. But yeah, it's just terrible in general. So we're gonna make sure this vehicle leaves right. We're gonna make sure it leaves the Exodius way instead. Hey guys, back with a little mini update on the GX550. So last time we were still removing the PPF, and we were, you know, discovering all the blade cuts on the paint. Now all the PPF has been removed off the vehicle. There was a bit of adhesive left over, so we got all that taken off. So the car has been washed, it's been prepped, clay barred and everything. So the car is ready to lay film. Right now we're kind of in the disassembly stage. So if you follow me over to this side, it's gonna be a little bit dark, but we've removed the side mirrors, we've removed the door handles. We'll also be removing the window trim next as well, just so we can get the film as deep as possible, kind of, you know, have no gloss showing. We're also going to be removing trims like this over here, trims like that. We're going to be doing a tuxedo wrap, as I mentioned in the beginning. So we're going to remove the roof rack pretty soon as well. Kind of coming over here, you can see we got this taken out. Tail lights on this one, we do not need to remove to get, you know, no gloss showing, but definitely a very interesting, very nice project that we have going on. So stay tuned for the next update. We're definitely going to show you some of the film landed on the vehicle itself. I think it's going to look really good. He's also planning on getting bronze wheels with this, with a 1.5-inch lift. So this thing is going to be looking really nice. So we're back with the GX. I think you guys might have seen a little bit of the stealthy look, but we've completed this entire side. You can see we still have a little bit of overhangs because we're going to go back and trim those out, but it's looking insanely good. We're also going to do that tuxedo wrap on top of this, so that's why this portion up here isn't done. We're going to do this in gloss black PPF, as well as the roof and a little portion right here. The customer is also debating currently whether he wants to do this in gloss black PPF. I think it'll look really sweet, but we're going to see. We're going to do one in gloss black, one in stealth, just to see what he likes, and whichever one he chooses, we'll just do the other one and that one as well. If you follow me over to the other side as well, we have this one entirely done, looking super sweet, looks good. It's gonna come out super nice. We're really excited for it. So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, so this is the finale of the GX550 full stealth plus color PPF plus messed up removal from the beginning. So it's all done up. As you can see, it came out perfect. We did the full stealth all over here. We did the gloss black PPF on the bottom. We did gloss black PPF on the roof, pillars, and the lower pillars. We also decided to do gloss black PPF on the mirror caps, on the door handles, and if you follow me to the back over here, you can see all this is gloss black PPF, as well as those portions down there and underneath the taillights. It looks really, really sweet. I think it came out perfect. This is protected, it's gonna look good. We're gonna bring it in for its 2-week checkup and it's gonna look fantastic. So stay tuned, guys. We have more amazing products coming on the way. Really excited to kind of present this to you. I wish we could do it outside. It's raining right now. So when it comes in for its 2-week checkup, we'll try to get some more photos for you. Thank you.